Hey guys, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in. So this is a quick update video. I'm not sure if you guys are as worried about it as I was, but the synchronization on those donated Code 3 3-up Torus surface mounts that I was here the other week putting in were unsynchronized because I could not figure out how they were set up the program. So I have got them set in parent-child mode. That's right. Code 3 is politically correct now. There's no master-slave anymore. Parent-child mode, guys. So there you go. There's the update. Finally got a chance to get down here, do the programming, run the communication wire between them. They're finally talking to each other. For those of you that know me, you know that I'm a bit anal about the synchronization on the equipment we put in. Just because unless a random flash is requested, you know, it puts the professionalism of my business on the line, not online. So there you go, guys. No more worries. These two donated lights are in sync with each other. I've had them running now for a while. So if you guys are wondering how to do it, and you guys have a set of them, I've seen a couple sets for sale on eBay. So if anybody picked up a set and don't know how to wire them, because I reached out to a couple of those sellers and they had explained to me that they did not have the paperwork with those. So if you find yourself in a situation where you don't have the paperwork for these surface mounts, let me know, hit us up, and we can get a copy of that information to you guys. Alright, well again, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and hit that icon bell. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, put them down below. Until next time, be kind to one another and be safe out there.